If you find yourself unable to log in to your local on-premise UI or FRAM, you can easily reset the password for the instance. Do note that, on the latest version of FusionReactor, if you have a cloud license key, you can log into the local interface with your cloud credentials. To reset the local password, you'll need to head to the installation directory for the instance. The default installation path should resemble something like the following for Windows or for Linux. Once you've found the folder, inside will be FusionReactor's configuration file, reactor.conf. Open this file with a text editor and remove any line blocks that begin with user. Save this file, then you will need to restart the instance. If it's the FRAM you're having trouble with, you can restart the FRAMD service. However, if it's a server instance, you will need to restart your server for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, head back to the login page, and the page should now prompt you to input a new admin password. Log back in and get right back to monitoring with FusionReactor.